Our collective efforts will foster positive changes in the statistical realm in the OECS region, enhancing our ability to make data-driven decisions that benefit our communities. Looking ahead, our strategic priorities include capacity building and training for ongoing, deeper professional development of our own people, leveraging technology and innovation to improve data collection, analysis, and dissemination will be a key focus to modernize our statistical systems. Building strong partnerships with stakeholders, including governments, development partners, academia, and civil society, is essential in advocacy efforts to raise awareness about the importance of data and statistics and to garner support for our initiatives. And of critical importance for uptime and reliability, strategies will be implemented to mitigate risk, address vulnerabilities, and ensure data security and privacy to maintain the continuity of our operations in the face of disruptions such as natural disasters and pandemics to meet the needs of all member states.